How to install a WordPress theme. There are a few ways to install a new WordPress theme, and I will show you how to install themes from the WordPress Repository. WordPress Repository has over 5,000 themes and plugins, both free and premium, to choose from. So let's get started. Hover your cursor over Appearance in the left side menu on the dashboard. Now click the Themes option, and then click the Add New button. From here, you can filter the results based on popular, latest, block, and favorite. You can also feature filters to customize search preferences based on the features you want in your theme. So we have a variety of themes to choose from. The good part is that you can click on a theme and it shows the option to preview. It gives you a view of the theme in action. You can install it directly from here by clicking this Install button, or you can close it, hover over the theme, and then click the Install button. Once installed, click the Live Preview button to see how your website will look using the theme. Once you have decided upon the theme, click the Activate button to finish adding it to your website. Your WordPress theme is installed on your website now, and you can start publishing content right away. This is how we install themes from the WordPress repository. There are also some other ways to install a WordPress theme, such as using an FTP. But if you are a beginner, we recommend following the manner shown in this video. I hope this video proves helpful to you. Thank you for watching.